Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
And she says I wish I be like the cool kid.
Let's start. Open any editing application. Go to New Project and add one video and for photos. Select Format 9:16. Adjust all photos to full screen. Delete the end part. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set video and photo to this time duration. Now add your text. Apply text layer till the end of video. You can also add lyrics of the song if you want to add. Now check your video. Now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.